Even before Somalia's independence 60 years ago, the United Nations has walked shoulder to shoulder with Somalis on their path to nationhood. In 1960, UN-appointed trusteeship territories in the southern and northern parts of the country became independent and united to form the Republic of Somalia. During the first decades of independence, Somalia experienced challenges. These include the overthrow of a civilian government, a military regime, and conflicts with neighboring countries. Throughout these years, the UN's presidency was marked by different agencies carrying out humanitarian and development work. The World Health Organization, the UN Development Programme, and the Office of the UN High Commissioner for Refugees all started their work in support of Somalis in 1960s and 1970s. In the early and mid-1990s, Somalia descended into anarchy following internal conflict and collapse of the central government in a civil war. The United Nations deployed several peacekeeping missions, UNISOM 1, UNITAF, and UNISOM 2, aiming to support life-saving humanitarian efforts. By the start of this century, the World Board established the UN Political Office for Somalia UNBOS to support the political process that led to the 2012 elections, which ended the country's transition period and created the Federal Parliament and the Federal Government of Somalia. Following an initial plan to deploy regional peacekeepers in 2006, the UN Security Council authorized the deployment of the African Union Mission in Somalia, AMISOM, in 2007 to support the country's security sector. A UN office to support AMISOM and Somali security forces soon followed. By 2013, 1 year after helping the country establish a provisional constitution, UNPOS closed and was succeeded by the UN Assistance Mission in Somalia, UNSOM. While it concentrates on supporting Somalia in the political, electoral, and security fields, a further 25 UN agencies, funds, and programs are focused on supporting Somalia in a whole range of areas, from agriculture to entrepreneurship and health to education, to name but a few. The United Nations in Somalia congratulates all Somalis on their country's independence anniversary and stands ready to continue its support in the years to come.
The United Nations has been at the side of Somalis dating back before independence. We will remain at your side in the years to come, supporting Somalia as you embark on the next chapter of your history.